Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're looking at a coin called Morpho Token or Morpho Protocol. Basically the reason I'm covering this coin is because it is coming to the Coinbase, as you can see here. So that means it will get a lot of attraction as soon as it launches. When the Coinbase announced that they have added to the roadmap, it already pumped from $1.77 to as high as you can see here $2.12. That was a pretty good pump, but it is unclear when the coin will actually launch. But since it is going to come on a base network, that means that it will probably launch soon. And after that we have again Pudgy the Penguins as well as Popcat as coming on the Coinbase as well. There is no exact date when they will announce, but still that is something that you should keep in mind. Again, we are looking at Morpho Token as of now. So this is a very interesting project. If you look here, it has been doing pretty awesome, and it already has a massive market cap of 436 million, which is a massive one. If you look at here, again it went up, but as of now it has started to come down, so that is something that you should keep that in mind. Anyways, looking at its overall listing, we don't have that much listing. As you can see, it is available on Bybit, OKX, as well as Gate.io, even KuCoin. So those are some of the biggest exchanges. It's also available on Kraken, but it's not available on Binance or not on Upbit as well. So those are two exchanges remaining which are doing pretty awesome as of now. Again, looking at this coin, this is basically open infrastructure for on-chain loans. This is a lending platform. I'm not going in depth on the platform. I won't be going in depth on how to use it or anything like that. We'll just be reviewing the coin itself and how the project is doing. Anyways, so looking at the deposits, they have over 5.9 billion deposit. That is a massive amount. And looking at the borrowers, around 2.1 billion. So that is another massive amount. It is trusted by Coinbase. We have even Binance here as well. We have Renzo, and we do have a lot of projects that it is trusted by. So that's pretty good. After that, if we basically scroll down a bit, you will see that they do have pretty good security audits as well. So that means it has a pretty good security from the looks of it. After that, they also have a massive bug bounty, so that is always positive. Because so coming to the most important thing, which is their investors, so it is actually backed by AX16Z as well as Coinbase Venture, which is a massive, again Pantera, another massive venture fund. We have Kraken as well, so they have 100 plus others, as you can see. So I'm very impressed by these stats, because I have never seen Kraken Ventures as well as Coinbase Ventures on a single project as of now, as long as I can remember. So this is very impressive, I think. And because of this, I think the project does have a lot of backing, so that could be the thing that it can push this project to new highs like Aave or even MakerDAO. But if you look at its market cap, it's already at 435 million, and I think even if we look at this bullion, in the lending ecosystem, if you look here, we have the biggest one, Aave. After that, we have the second project has a market cap of below 1 billion. So let's just say that the market goes up. I think this one can hit 1 billion, probably around 1.5 billion, and I think that is going to be the peak of this project in this bullion, from my perspective. Anyways, looking at its ecosystem, it does have a pretty good ecosystem. As you can see here, they have Stakehouse, USDC, Morpho Vault, as you can, with a 96 million market cap as well, and they also have many other projects, as you can see. So that's pretty good, I think, for the project, because they have a lot of vaults, as you can see here. Anyways, let's move to some other things. So coming to the project itself, it is basically a trustless and efficient lending primitive with permissionless market creation. So that's pretty good. As you can see here, it enables the deployment of minimal and isolated lending markets by specifying various things. So I think that is the thing, that it has a very new thing going on, or you can say a very unique thing. So coming towards a very important thing, which is the token itself. So looking at the Morpho token, let's just look at what it does. So basically it is a token of the DAO, as you can see here. So token holders get various powers. They can actually vote on future initiatives, deployment, and ownership. Turn off on slash the fees, so that's pretty good. They also have to govern the DAO treasury as well, so that's pretty good. But the most important thing is that if you look at the investors, so they do have a lot of investors, so that means many of these investors are most likely interested in the platform itself, so they will be most likely participating in the voting as well. So that means the demand for this coin is going to be relatively a pretty good demand from my perspective at least. So that's pretty good. Again, looking at the token itself, it was actually deployed on 10th November, as you can see here. And after that, the legacy token was actually deployed on June 2022, and it also had 1 billion supply. Again, this coin also has 1 billion supply as well. So again, as of now, we do have a wrapped version, as you can see here. And if we look at the token overall, the distribution seems to be pretty good, but I'm not sure about this one. So the investors are getting a massive amount, around I think 275 million tokens. So that is a massive amount. So that means this coin is going to see a lot of sell pressure, but I think most of those coins will most likely be used on the platform itself. We will see a pretty good sell pressure, but I don't think that it is going to be that massive. But of course, the amount is pretty massive, so let's just say that they sell around half of the supply that they were given. That is going to be a massive amount as well. So that is something that you should keep in mind, because if you look at the circulating supply, it is going to increase. So we will most likely see a pretty much heavy sell pressure in around March. So after the March, I think many investors will start getting their tokens, as well as the team, as well as the founder. So I think this coin is going to see a lot of sell pressure, and that is something that you should keep in mind if you're looking to hold this coin for a very long term, because as of now it's trading over $1.95, but I think after the sell pressure that we are going to see in March, this coin will most probably go below $1, at least if we don't see a bull run. If we do see a bull run, this coin can easily hit as high as $8 from the looks of it, if we do see a bull run. That also depends on overall market, so let's see what happens, but that is something that you should keep in mind. So let's just look at the last thing, which is its TVL. Its TVL actually went up, as you can see here. It has been around since 2022 and it was struggling, but after that it has a pretty steady growth, so that's pretty good, and it has started to go up again. So as of now, its TVL is around 3.84 billion, and if you look at the token price in the market cap, the token price has been going down, although its TVL is going up. So I think that's a pretty good thing for the coin, and I think this is most likely that we have seen I think this sell pressure is coming from those vestings. So I think this is going to increase, but let's hope that we have a bull run that this coin can easily hit $8 as of now. Anyways, we have to wait and see what happens. So looking at the coin itself, as you can see here, it has started to go down, but I think once we do see a Coinbase listing, it will most likely go up. So the best entry as of now I'm looking at is somewhere around here. So at launch, if you're able to get the entry of around $1.3 to $1.17, you can easily sell it as high as $2 or even higher once it does go up. But I think it will most likely hit this entry, because as of now BTC is very volatile, and I think if the BTC does go down, let's just say that it retests around 92k, so I think most of the alt will go down. So I'm looking at BTC at 92k as of now, and I think it will most likely push this coin as low as at least around $1.5 or even $1.3 is the possibility. Anyways, I hope this video helped you, and I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.